This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Alcira Salazar. Welcome to this well-maintained and beautiful home, perfect for your family, featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 2 centigrams. Open floor plan, large living room with a fireplace for the cool days. Oversized lanai overlooking a private fenced back, perfect for entertaining. Newer AC unit and Halo 5 maintenance-free water treatment system that covers the whole house. Newer roof in 2009, windows, garage door, gutters and vents. See Realtor remarks for additional information. For more information, review the details below or contact Alcira Salazar at 941-284-7645.